everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Look what I've got here. I've got the dollar bead box for June of 2023. This literally just came in my mail like 10 minutes ago. I was hoping it would come today. So I was getting ready to film a video, just waiting for the mailman to show up, and he did. So I'm so excited. I did just peek a little bit because, you know. So this says Dollar Bead Box, June 2023. Recently, we've had questions about the either or various colors and bonus items in the box. Due to increased issues with shipping and with product sourcing, we're not always able to get the full quantity of items we need to give everyone the exact same items in every box. In that case, we try to find similar items that also work with the rest of the products in the box. In most instances, we can list all of the options in the shop for reorders. For example, if a strand is included in the box as either a regular or matte finish, we'll have both items listed. That way you can see all the selections available for that month. Check the Dollar Bead Box and Bag Items section of the shop for a full listing of current items. Some of our bonus items are limited quantity, so we might not be able to list them for reorders. Okay, so it doesn't have a, I kind of think it has a little bit of a theme. But so this is where we are at. So look at this. Look at these pretty. Ooh. So let's start with this really quick. So this is the fire polish. This is the add-on bag. You get 8 strands. Dollar bead bag, the check fire polish bag, you get 4 3mm strands and 4 4mm strands. So the 3 silver, let me see, 3 miller, dark purple, lime green, silver, royal purple metallic, and then metallic green iris, light yellow, transparent pink, and copper luster. Okay, so this is where we are at so far. So this is the 3mm strand. This is dark purple. I love their fire polish beads. I know I say this every month when I open up this box, but I love their fire polish beads. Look how pretty that is. Got all the sparkle added to them. So get that. This is the lime green. Kind of looks like a lime popsicle. That's what it reminds me of. It's so pretty. Oh, get that. Somebody made a comment under one of my videos saying, I see pretty too much. And I'm like, well, what am I supposed to do when I'm dealing with beads? If the beads are pretty, what am I going to say? They're gorgeous, darling. So this is silver. Love these. And this is the royal purple metallic. Try not to say pretty now. So look at these 4. These would make a really pretty bracelet. It's like this, the royal purple metallic combines these 3 colors in there. So you have 3 separate strands, and then this one adds them all together. So then for the 4mm strands, we have a purple copper luster. Look at how gorgeous that is. I don't know if the camera's picking up. There's copper, there's flickers of like a copper, rose copper kind of in there. Very lustrous. Then next is the transparent pink. Gorgeous. What a pretty bracelet this would make. Do we have that? Next is the light yellow. See the glistening in it. And last but not least is the metallic green iris. Let me see all that sparkle in there. So if you were to take these 8 strands and hold them up, I don't think it gets any better than this. Look at that, just like putting that against your skin, kind of like if it was a bracelet or something. How gorgeous. So we have those. Now, let's see. Ooh, hello. Oh, look at these. And these. Oh, and the purple flowers. Oh, so pretty. Oh, so pretty. Oh, and I love these. These are so pretty. Let me get everything set up and I'll be right back. So we're starting with the strands. There's 7 strands. This is the 5mm check glass flower spacer matte purple luster, 35 pieces. I love this purple. It's so vibrant. We have this. There it's at that. Next is the 4x6mm check glass drop purple luster or crystal AB, 35 pieces. So I think this is the purple luster. And I love the shine on that. That's so pretty. Next is the 6mm check glass 2-hole squares matte crystal or jet. So this is jet, 30 pieces. So, and it's got the 2 holes. Just smooth. It's almost like a table cut. The way it feels. Next is a 4mm check glass struck light amethyst, 48 pieces. This is like the perfect bead when you really don't have a bead and you need something, you don't want it to be too, stand out too much on a piece of jewelry. You want it to be more of a background color. This is the kind of bead that you choose. This is 8x12mm check glass tabular drop vitril or vitril medium, 15 pieces. So that's one side and that's the other. So it's either the silver side or that. Very nice. Next, I think this is my favorite of all the strands. The 4mm check glass struck Crystal Maria acid wash, 25 pieces. I love that acid wash on there. Such a unique color because of that. And last for the strands is a 4x6mm check glass drop Crystal Maria acid wash or gold acid wash. So this is the gold acid wash. Love this. So there's that. So these are the strands. Then we're starting with the additional items. This is the 12mm check glass cornflake purple black silver, 10 pieces. We've gotten these before too. I love these. These you can use these as spacers and do some really unique things with these beads. They're so pretty. And next are the 15mm check glass table cut dragonflies, an opaque green with pink wash, 2 pieces. Oh, look at that. I love the pink with the green. These would make pretty earrings, drop earrings. I also use these a lot when I make my my memory wire bracelets, and I use these for little charms. the dangle on the ends. I like the way that looks. And next, these are one of my favorites. 8 by 12 millimeter check glass tabular rectangle lavender opal with travertine, 4 pieces. So it almost has like a Picasso finish on the edge. I love these. So pretty. And next, these are pretty. 12 by 17 millimeter check glass lacy tear, green or green with purple, 2 pieces. So these are just green. Very pretty. Uh-oh. Hold on one second. Let me check something. I don't think... Okay, that one works. Okay. Last month I had contacted them. I didn't see the extra one. They were going to resend me one because I think it was kind of like these from last month. One of them didn't have a hole. I didn't get it sent to me though. They must have forgotten. But these are so pretty. I thought these didn't have holes at first. I was like, oh no, not again. And next is the 9 millimeter check glass flower in tanzanite, 8 pieces. These are the hole goes through like this. Love these. And next is 20 by 24 millimeter check glass tabular drop, purple velvet or blue opal, 1 piece. Yeah, this is really pretty. Goes through like that. Just make a pretty pendant. Could be some stuff around it. That could be the focal point. Okay. Next is, these are pretty. 8 by 25 millimeter check glass vintage drops, pink with gray, 2 pieces. These are really cool. Look at that. Look at that pattern in there. And it's got the lines in the side. So cool. Really cool. They have a really like funky, edgy look to them. Let me see. Next is 10 millimeter pewter Tibetan squares geometric design, 3 pieces. So this, the hole goes through there. So it'd be like that shape. Very pretty. So then I've used these a lot. 12 millimeter check glass 2-hole pyramid, violet copper luster, 2 pieces. So see how the 2 holes are right there, and then it has the little front right there. It does. It looks like a little pyramid. I've used these as the focal point of the front of a necklace before and stuff. Next is, oh, I like these. 14 millimeter check glass flower lavender with copper wash. I love the copper wash. Love the way these look. Okay. And next, oh, these are nice. 11 by 13 millimeter checklist oak leaf green with gold wash, 8 pieces. Yeah, the hole goes up and down like that. You can make a little dangle with these. These would be really pretty for either earrings or just on the necklace. Love the way these are. Okay. And next is a 9 by 17 millimeter checklist carrier in crystal, 2 pieces. So that's the way it looks like that. It's got the 2 holes going through it. You can see it. Same on both sides. I like this because this can pretty much go with anything. You're using it, you know, you can use it to connect things or something separate. And last but not least is the 10 by 13 millimeter Tiara Cast Tiny Sea Star Antique Silver Plate, 2 pieces. Oh, look at these. These are so cute. So cute. It's the same on both sides. Oh, maybe not. Wait, no. That's the front. That's the front, and that's the back. I love them. So, again, Dollar Bead Box outdid themselves. Love everything. And these, oh. I will leave the link below to the Dollar Bead Box in case if you're interested. These are so gorgeous. This is going to be fun working with this box. I had a lot of fun with last month's box. And yes, love this. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button below and also hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I have all of my social media below if you'd like to follow me. I have lots of videos coming up this month. Also, I did a 2,000 subscriber contest where I was giving away a big thing of beads for your stash, and a woman named Susan from Sioux Falls won it, and it's been 5 days. I've contacted her on other social media I can follow her on and sent her 2 emails. I haven't heard back yet, so I'm not really sure what to do. I was going to give her another 4 days or so, and if she doesn't contact me, I might pick somebody else because I feel bad if someone doesn't get the beads I spent so much time picking out. I really want her to get it because she was the first one I picked, but hopefully she will contact me and I can mail it to her. So I will keep you guys all updated on that. And again, thank you so much for following my channel and subscribing, leaving all your comments. I love all of you guys, and I love doing these videos for you guys. So I will see you on my next video, and you all have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.